Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about a health program that's been gaining a lot of attention, the Smoothie Diet. If you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or simply jumpstart a new wellness routine, then keep watching because this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's dive in. First things first, beware of counterfeit products. The Smoothie Diet has become quite popular, and with that, there's been a rise in fake versions being sold on unauthorized websites. These knockoffs could not only be ineffective but also unsafe. So, if you decide to purchase, make sure you buy directly from the official website. So, what exactly is the Smoothie Diet? It's a 21-day weight loss program that focuses on replacing certain meals with specially designed, nutrient-packed smoothies. These smoothies are made with fresh, whole ingredients, think fruits, veggies, proteins, and healthy fats, to help you shed pounds while still giving your body the nutrition it needs. Here are some key benefits. Weight loss. By replacing high-calorie meals with these low-calorie but filling smoothies, you can cut back on calories without feeling deprived. Improved digestion. The high fiber content supports your digestive system. Boosted energy. Thanks to the natural ingredients, these smoothies can give you a steady energy boost throughout the day. Healthier skin and hair. The vitamins and antioxidants in the smoothies also promote glowing skin and stronger hair. Now, you might be wondering, how easy is it to follow? Well, the good news is that the plan is super straightforward. You'll get weekly shopping lists so you know exactly what to buy. Step-by-step smoothie recipes that are quick and simple to make. A detailed 3-week schedule showing which meals to replace and when. You don't have to be a master chef to follow this diet. It's literally blending and drinking your meals, so it's perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle or if you're not great at cooking. Let's talk results. Many people have seen amazing transformations with the Smoothie Diet. The program is designed to help you lose up to 10 to 20 pounds in 21 days, depending on your starting point. And the best part? You're not just losing weight, you're developing healthier habits that can last beyond the program. So, if you're ready to kickstart your weight loss journey, feel more energized, and boost your health, now is the time to try the Smoothie Diet. Just remember to purchase through the official website to avoid any fake products and to take advantage of their 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description below to get started today. Trust me, your body will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.